Okay, welcome to another edition of Trader Station 911. Today we're going to talk about strategies, and we're going to talk about one particular strategy, a stock closing strong. Okay? When stocks close strong, they have a tendency of gapping up pre-market or gapping up at market open. Okay? Case in point, HYSR. Okay? I'd like to talk about the morning here. The morning looked beautiful. She ran real nice. But again, we're talking about this one strategy, stock closing strong under the PTD rule, okay? You could buy 3 stocks closing strong at the end of the day, sell them the next morning, and still have 3-day trades. So in reality, you could do this, 3 stocks, 3 times 5, 15 times. And so you could trade 15 times in 1 week with this type of strategy. Being that when you buy the stock on Friday, closing strong, then hoping for a PR on Saturday or Sunday, then Monday comes up and you got a nice gap up, even better. Okay, so let's talk about HYSR. Okay, you can see it topped out this morning. It right here. It had like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you can't consider the last one the last 2. But these 3 candles right here, it triple topped, consolidated, triple topped right here, consolidated right here, and on its last swing went up, and then she tanked. All right. So right here, there's nothing in the back to give you the sign that it's going to go back up again. The only thing that's going to give you the sign again is when you see the volume on the bottom, if it's nice and green, yes, then get into this consolidated part right here. All right. So yeah, you could have bought right here in a consolidation area. All right. And you could have wrote it up for, let's just say, if you bought here, it would have been 21 cents, and you could have wrote it up to 21 cents. 21, yeah, well, the same amount, just a different tenth. All right. But again, we're not talking about this. We are not talking about this. We are talking about a stock closing strong. Again, I'm sorry I got off the beat. All right. You can see right here at this area, the stock was closing started to close strong at point 2287. Okay. Once it passed 2287 over here, that's where your buy would be. All right. Once it passed it, because the stock is closing strong, and you're looking for the next morning for it to gap up. Okay. Once it gaps up, get out of the trade, because as you can see, what happened here and happened here can happen in the morning. So you take your money and run. Okay? Take your money and run. You get to trade again on the same day. And you still have 3-day trades left. All right? So that's this stock right here, HYSR. Let's go to SENS. SENS. Another stock that closed strong, but what's troubling here for me, I don't know if you guys remember LLLI. It also closed strong. Okay? But that last minute was red. So I can't really consider this one a stock closing strong. I can't consider that. But we're gonna get through it anyway, because it's what I have right now in front of me. All right. As you can see, you see this area here where the stock actually did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double tops. 5 double tops at 105.99. Okay. When a stock double tops, or triple tops, or quadruple, you know what happens. The stock tanks. The stock will go down. But over here at 102, it found support. Okay? Why did it find support? Because we had support here in this area. We had support here in this area. So now we have support here in this area. All right? Came back up, consolidated nicely in the middle over here at 102.77. Okay? You could have bought right here and been happy because you're up 2 cents, 2 or 3 cents right now. Okay? She consolidated. She found support again at 103.99. All right? She found support. Okay, because it's support because you see this area right here, this area, this. Okay, that channels as support. Okay, that channels as support. Once again, once the stock broke the 105.93 area, she ran up all the way nicely up to what? 117.90. Okay, came back down, consolidated. And then, what time was that right there? Can't see. Well, at 15:55. Okay. She started to go back up, and she took right off again. So on this particular stock, man, I really screwed the pooch up on this one. Yeah, you could have bought it here. Okay, but the stock closing strong, if you're going to buy the stock closing strong, you need to buy it here at this point. I hope I'm getting into this, some of you guys. Okay, at 118. And then you would hold on, but to the close, I think it closed at 120. At 120 it closed. Well, like I said, what's troubling for me is the last minute. It's red. So I cannot tell you if this is going to gap up or not. That's why I started to make a previous video, but I messed that one up too. So this is another one. I said in the beginning, 99 to 95% of the time, these stocks gap up on a stock closing strong. Okay? But by looking at now, I did not see this candle turning red. This might do what LLLI did. Opened up and gapped down. Okay, let's see what the yearly chart looks like. All right. This is what the yearly chart. So back in March, okay, we had some bag holders right here in this area. Okay, let's cross the line. We do have some bag holders, and what probably happened here was these guys were looking to get out with a minimal loss. Okay, because you can see how far the stock went down, and it went down here, and then just continued to tank. So these guys were holding this at 37 cents. Okay, so Yeah, you're gonna have some bag holders in this, in the. Let's get back over here. Bag holders in the 122 to 170, 174, 170 area. Let's just say that. Play safe. 170 area right here. 170 area. So you're going to have some bag holders on this one. Okay? And what probably like happen again, that these bag holders up on top, okay, up on top over here, saw a chance to get out, and that's what they did. They got out. So hopefully that paves the way for this candle, the stock to gap up tomorrow. You never know. Okay, like I said, 95%, 99% of the time, but you have that occasional blooper. All right, the next one is SRNA. So let's look what this one does. SRNA. Again, what a candle. What a candle. Let's get to the minute. Okay. Again, the stock closing strong. You could have bought at 17 cents. Okay. The reason why we're buying 17 cents, you can see we're double topped right here and came back down, consolidated, came right back up, but this time it breached the 1735 area. It breached that 1735 area. Once it breached it, boom, she ran up to the 19 cents area. You know? Although you could have bought it again, like I said, right here. Okay? Once you saw this going down, you're not worried about all this because you're not into the trade, but you could have got into the trade here at 12 cents. I'm pretty sure these 2 minutes right here wouldn't have wiggled you out because we're talking 0.1267 and 0.1239. So I'm sure that wouldn't have scared you out of the trade. Okay. Now, if it would have went lower, yes. Okay. But those were just 2 minutes, and then that third minute, that's when she took off. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, if I might have confused you guys. I'm tired. I had to go get groceries for myself and my neighbor, and I'm just beat, tired. Anyway, I hope this helps you. This is Eugene Flores with Trader Station 911 signing out. Thank you very much. Stay safe.